everyone, and welcome back to Cunning Sense. I'm going to talk about Alien World today. It's a browser-based NFT game that I've talked about once before, but I haven't talked about in a while, and a couple weeks ago, on the 29th, I think, it integrated with the Binance Smart Chain, so there's some stuff you can do on Binance now, and it's integrated with MetaMask as well as your Wax wallet. All the NFT stuff so far is still housed on the Wax side, but I don't know if that'll change. But it has Planet Binance and has added submissions and stuff like that. And they look pretty fun, or interesting at least. We'll see what happens in the future with it. As you can see here, not much has changed as far as my inventory compared to the last video. I have bought one capacitor, I have two of them, and everything else here I've gotten from mining. I think I have two avatars as well, but that's not really that important because it doesn't really matter. Like the swords and the cudgels and the mercenary and all of that, it can't really do anything with right now. They're still developing it, so hopefully in the future it'll go. As you can see here, I have a mine available now, and they changed mining so you don't have to go through all the different loading screens and menus anymore. It's just this one, which is great because you can do it all from this screen all the time. Guess I need to put more wax in my stake more wax for my CPU if I'm gonna keep doing this. Since I was talking about it, I was looking at the game. I normally am not mining this many times in a row, but I just wanted to verify nothing had changed before I talked about it. But I mean, governance, as you can see, the GUI and the user interface is completely changed. You can now teleport, which is basically just transferring the TLM between MetaMask and your Wax wallet. You can still mine, though the one big change, which is interesting at least, is the missions. So, the missions are, you're doing missions for Planet Binance. And I don't have the TLM, but like this one has a 12-week duration. So you're basically staking TLM to rent a ship to send it, and you split the total TLM that I had listed on that previous page. Right now it's every ship that goes will receive 1200 TLM. But if you want to join, it costs 5000 TLM to go. So I mean, you're earning more there than you were anywhere else, and you just stake TLM to go, so you can still mine and do everything. What you do get is this NFT from the one I did before I made the video. I'm currently on another one, and I'm not exactly sure. I don't think it's it's the exact same mission NFT, so I'll get 3 more from this. So I'm staking my TLM, sending my missions out, and for every ship I have out, I get 1.743 trillium. So that's what I have staked from Binance. I don't have anything staked from this wallet, just kind of earning it there. You can switch your planet on that menu and switch the land to whatever you want. It is sorted out a little bit. I like going onto the Discord and looking at the land promotions because people do giveaways, and sometimes they'll do like, if you mine here at 20% for a week, they do profit sharing and they'll share out all the TLM or a portion of the TLM that was mined there to everyone that mined there. And I've done a couple of those while I've been playing, and I mean, I've gotten I got dropped like total a couple hundred TLM from it, which I then changed over to Wax and did not put back into this game, which I kind of regret now. But in the future, that might be something I do. Just because I like the new GUI a lot more than previously. It's a lot easier to navigate, and there's not as many pop-ups. I haven't had to do a captcha since I've been doing it. Like I said, the mining will just pop up right there. But as you can see for Wax TLM, it's Could go up pretty nuts. Currently, it's 0.29 because we're going down, but 0.29, one TLM is 0.29 wax. So, but the price of land is, oh, not going to find a, I was looking at drills earlier. I've got 13 wax I was going to put on here, but I can't really get anything except for gloves right now or shovels. And you have to search for the specific tool. I was looking at this, which is an older sheet, but the tools are all still the same. Searching for some of the common tools just to get a general upgrade, but most of the decent ones outside of the gloves are like 20 to 40 bucks. And I have 11 chilling out right now. Land prices have stayed pretty consistent. Most of the common lands are 13,000. These are probably going to be some of the rares, the mountains. Looking for 5 million. I hope somebody sells one for 5 million. But tools, you have to search by name, like I said. I've been having issues with Atomic Hub loading all day. Tools, you have to search by name, like I said. I've been having issues with Atomic Hub loading all day. But if it does load, it's just going to be shuffles. So if you want to look at shuffles, you can just hit price lowest. If you want to find anything else, you need to search specifically and hope that Atomic Hub works. See, it's just shuffles. Shuffles as far as the eye can see. I was reading about the Binance, but like I said, it's for right now, the missions NFTs will be used eventually. New cards is the ability to enhance developments across the metaverse. So they're being very vague. I'm not sure what any of these mission NFTs will do. I'll keep doing them and keep getting them. I mean, NFTs are NFTs. Hopefully, eventually they're useful. But as of right now, I think they're just working on getting the integration up and moving on from there. So hopefully missions continue to be at least interesting. I do like that it's not every 6 minute kind of thing. It's a 2 weeks, 12 weeks kind of deal. So it's a set it and forget it. I do really appreciate that, because I don't like coming here every 6 minutes just to click on claim to get 0.05, 0.01 TLM. But like I was saying, I got into Alien Worlds because it was 100% free. Go in, create your account, start mining. I have put nothing into this. The TLM I have staked on Binance, I staked Cake for on PancakeSwap and earned TLM. So I have a decent amount of cake in there. I sold some, but I think of around $300 left in PancakeSwap and Cake. But I had that staked for TLM. They've done a couple TLM stakings over the course of the last 6 months, and I've managed to get, 100 and something of TLM. So I mean, I just staked it there. I guess I could have been auto compounding, but hey, I've played Alien World, so I figured I'd stake it and get some extra there. But I don't know, for what I've put into it, which is nothing. Outside of, well, I'll take that back. I did spend like $1 on, or was it maybe $2 on a drill, and then I got another one like that day. But I don't know, getting into it for free. I think total assets in here I could sell everything and make like 12 bucks. So I'm not retiring on Alien Worlds, but it's fun to do. I like crypto games and NFTs in general, so especially gaming NFTs. I really think that's got a future in it. And if they keep developing this, it's interesting at least. I like watching progress in games. It's why I got into some early, and some like this one I was a little late on this one. But I'm still learning, trying to get in, trying to let you all know whenever I find one that's at least, fun or interesting. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, missions are here. They've been here for a week or two, but they're available now. Go stake your TLM and get some random mission NFTs, and hopefully we can do something cool with them after they decide what we're going to be doing with them. All right. Thanks for watching another Cunnington's episode, and you all have a great day.